Hello everyone, welcome back to Mandeep Overseas. Myself Tanisha, and in this video we will learn counting in German language. Okay, so counting in German is called Zahlen. Okay, and in this video we will learn from 0 to 20. So 0 in German is called Null. This is not null, this is Null. 1 is eins, 2 is zwei, 3 is drei, 4 is vier, 5 is fünf, 6 is sechs, 7 is sieben, 8 is acht, 9 is neun, 10 is zehn, and 11 is elf. 12 is zwölf, and 13 in German. Okay, so there's a trick when you want to learn counting from 13 to 19, like you have in English. So what we do in English, that we add teen at the end and just pick the number from the starting. So same thing we have to do in German. Now 13 will be formed by adding 3 and 10, right? So if we will write 3, 3 is drei, so it will be drei, and then 10, 10 is sen, so it will be drei sen. Drei is 13, easy. And same we will do for 14. Now what for 14 we will add 4 and then 10, so it will be vier and then sen. Same thing will go for 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Okay, so how will you write that? For 14 we learned that is vier sen. 15 will be fünf sen. Fünf is 5 and then sen is 10. 16 will be sechzehn. 17 will be siebzehn. Now in this you will not add en, okay? Like we learned 7 is sieben, but here we will only write sieb. This is an exceptional case. Then for 18 again, 8 is acht and then 10 is sen. 19 is again 9 and then sen. 9 sen. Okay, so like we do, like we speak counting in English, we say 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then it continues like this till 19. But 20 is different. We do not say 2 and then add teen at the end, right? We say different words 20. So same thing is there in German also. 20 is 20 has a different word, that is zwanzig. Zwanzig. This was the full counting from 0 to 20. I hope you liked it and learned a lot from this. So make sure to subscribe our channel and stay tuned for the next part.